So you bought an EPOS or a Sennheiser device, like a headset, conference speaker, or a webcam, and now what happens if it stops working? Well, I'm going to show you in 4 easy steps what you can do to get it working or to get a replacement. So, you know what? Step one is always a little self help. Step number one is to make sure that you visit that EPOS support site. There's a knowledge base within here. There's articles, there's tips and tricks, really everything that you can imagine where you can sit down, read a little bit, learn about your device, find the problem, diagnose it yourself, and fix it. So if after some self-help, you find that the product, and this is the home screen here for the EPOS site, do a little self-diagnosis. If you're unable to get it working, then we want to move on to step number 2. So step 1, you want to make sure that you visit their website. If it's working, fantastic, you're off to the races. If it's not working, they encourage you to contact them directly. We're posting the North America support telephone number, 800-895-7412. That is for North America support, but they're a global organization. Also, within the link that we'll include below, that will include within the description, if you're in other parts of the world, find the local number to you. Now, if after speaking with a technician, if it's working, fantastic, you're off to the races. But if it's still not working from here, this is where you want to request for a warranty verification. So really what this is here is there's an online claim form. There's an online electronic contact form. You're sharing information about who you are, the product that you have, the serial number. You may want to include a copy of the invoice, although that's not always required. EPOS headsets have up to a 3-year warranty as well. Now, if after you submit this warranty request form, so step number 4, you'll then get a reply and you'll know, hey, if the product is in warranty, fantastic. You submit for the claim right there. They'll send you the instructions on how to get the replacement and send the defective unit back to them. Now, if it comes back and they say, sorry, the headset's 5 years old, we wish we could help you, it's out of warranty, hey, please contact Global Tech. We'll work with you to find the right device. There might be different promotions going on within the different brands. Sometimes, like Rolando had highlighted, sometimes there's trade-in programs or other incentives. It's a very competitive market. These world-class brands, they certainly fight it out sometimes, and they're all looking for ways to just bring a little bit more value to the user. So contact us if your product is out of warranty, and we'll make sure that we work with you to get you the right solution.
EPOS also, that's a new name, no? I mean, what's EPOS anyways? It's fairly new name, and I know this is another question that comes up very similar to Poly as well.
Yep. So similar to Poly, EPOS is also going through a rebranding. They were formerly known as Sennheiser, and the brand Sennheiser still exists, but they're now using EPOS as the brand for their call center, office, and gaming headsets. Now, technically and electronically, it's all the same. The inside is still that they're sourcing.
Is it just
all the same
the label, right? That just says that, because some people have even commented online, hey, I'm getting a cheap knockoff that's supposed to be Sennheiser. Right?
Yeah, I'm surprised they're saying it like that, because I must say I really love the Sennheiser look and feel when they were the Sennheiser brand for these products. But with EPOS, they've given it a little bit of refresh. They changed the colors very slightly on some of their products, and in my opinion, it looks very sharp.
And I see that on some of the products, both names are on the product itself. Not all, but it seems like the ones that we're highlighting here. Yep. On the screen, we've got them having both Sennheiser as well as EPOS branded on the products.
Yeah, and it'll take anytime you're rebranding, it certainly takes some time. I've worked with many organizations that have gone through it, and who knows what the future will hold, but as of today, EPOS Audio, formerly Sennheiser, still world-class solutions with world-class support. If your product's not working, follow those 4 easy steps and you will be off to the races, as I was saying, sooner than later.
That's right. And they're really good about that. Pro tip, have your invoice handy when you bought the product. Now, if you bought it on Amazon, you have your Amazon stuff that's on your computer or on your app, or you bought it from directly from us on our website, or even somebody else for that matter. Why would you buy from somebody else? I don't know. Come to us. We'll help you out. But have it handy, because we've found that sometimes, even for stuff that's in warranty, the date code that is on the product for Jabra, as well as all the manufacturers, sometimes that date code gives you a little bit of a buffer in terms of when the warranty should begin. They usually give you a few extra months. But what we've also found, especially now with the shipping problems, things taking longer to get to the US, there's not enough truckers to move things around from warehouse to warehouse. It is handy to have it because the warranty begins when you bought it. And the date code and the warranty beginning when you bought it may not be a match or may not be sufficient. So always, if you have your invoice or proof of purchase handy, just in case you need to make a warranty claim. That's the pro tip.
Good advice, Rolando. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button.
Bump the like button, Dave.
Bump that.
Give
like
it with
button.
some emphasis. Bump the like button.
It helps us out. It helps us out within within all of the social media platforms that we're on. So if you have that opportunity, it means a lot to us. So please.
Yeah, as well as sending us a comment or a suggestion, because we just may feature it on an upcoming segment. We love feedback. We love the engagement. It keeps us on our toes. We hope that this added value to your day. We certainly would love to see you in a future segment or in a future episode. Dave and I have some other episodes lined up for you right here. We look forward to seeing you there.